1. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the stunning 1967 Ford Mustang, currently available for purchase at $54,500. This amazing car has only covered 500 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, elegant black exterior and interior, presenting itself as a true work of art in excellent condition. The 1967 Ford Mustang, also known as Helliner, is a unique custom, completely modified and adapted to modern standards. It is powered by a robust blueprint and balanced 347 5-stroker engine, paired with an updated 5-speed Tremec transmission and a Glide clutch. This Mustang easily handles speeds of 70 to 80 mph, thanks to its outstanding performance. Its custom bodywork required hundreds of hours of work to create the perfect form and structure, making it truly unique. If you dream of owning an individual, stylish, and powerful Ford Mustang, this 1967 Helliner could be your perfect choice. Contact the seller to learn more about the opportunity to become the owner of this amazing car and experience the unique spirit of the legendary model. 2. Currently, you have a unique opportunity to acquire the stunning 1978 Chevrolet Malibu drag car, presented for $17,595. This car, equipped with a powerful 383 engine with Edelbrock aluminum heads, Manley valves, scat crank, and eagle rods, is a true piece of art ready for the racetrack. The TCI Turbo 350 transmission, Quick Performance 9 rear end with Mosier axles, and front suspension with new brakes ensure maximum on-track performance. Kei 1 shocks and Moroso springs provide suspension tuning for optimal road control. This silver Malibu with a blue interior is not only a drag car, but also features functional elements like power windows. The VIN number 1W27 U87,457,505 confirms the legality and title availability for this car. If you are looking for a drag car with history and a title, this 1978 Chevrolet Malibu drag car is an excellent choice. 3. Now you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of the stunning 1972 Buick Skylark GSX, presented for $52,000. This incredible car, with only 1,500 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission and represents a true engineering masterpiece. The 1972 GSX/LSX convertible Skylark features an LS3L99 tuned engine for maximum performance. Paired with a 6-speed 6L80 transmission and 373 limited-slip rear ends, this car provides incredible capabilities on the road. Key features include speed engineering mid-length headers, an X-pipe Borla exhaust system, and a new fuel tank with a pump from Tanks incorporated disc brakes on all 4 wheels, tubular control arms, Kiwi B shocks up front, and adjustable rear springs ensure reliable control. This Skylark also captures attention with its 17-inch wheels, white Dakota digital gauges, console shifter with bucket seats, and new carpet. The car's exterior is adorned with a red hand-painted stripe, which, though slightly faded, adds a special character to it. If you dream of owning a unique, powerful, and stylish car, this 1972 Buick Skylark GSX will be your reliable companion on the road. 4. I present to you a unique opportunity to become the owner of the magnificent 1964 Plymouth Fury, offered at a price of $29,000. This splendid car, with only 19,819 miles on it, is equipped with a manual transmission and represents a true masterpiece of engineering. The 1964 Plymouth Fury, with a Pauli 318 engine and a 3-speed manual column shift transmission, stands out with its black exterior and interior. This car has been meticulously maintained and is in excellent mechanical condition. The owner has upgraded the car with a new windshield, a new top, a new dual exhaust, a new carburetor, and new Toyo Proxy tires. The front and rear bumpers have also been replaced, and the engine and transmission were rebuilt a few years ago with a fresh paint job under the hood. This Plymouth Fury is ready to impress you with its looks, power, and reliability. With a clean title and no significant damage or problems, this car is perfect for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Don't miss your chance to become the proud owner of this outstanding vehicle. 5. I present to you a unique opportunity to acquire the magnificent 1972 Volkswagen Squareback for just $5,000. This car, with a mileage of 156,000 miles, manual transmission, is currently available for sale. This Volkswagen Squareback impresses with its original paint and minimal rust. The car has a clean title, has not undergone significant damage, and is free of serious problems. Its engine, converted to dual carburetors, original fuel injection system included, runs strong but requires a slight adjustment or carburetor rebuild for perfect operation. The transmission has been repaired and overhauled, ensuring smooth gear shifts and good clutch engagement. The car moves safely, although the steering has a slight play, which can be eliminated using the included spare parts. The electronics are in good condition, all lighting works, and an alternator is installed. Additionally, the Volkswagen Squareback is equipped with new tires and brakes. This car provides a unique opportunity for enthusiasts of original and rare vehicles. It preserves its pristine beauty and history, making it an ideal addition to any collection. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this unique car. 6. Embark on a new chapter of adventures with this unique 1965 Volkswagen Beetle Beige Bug, available for just $6,000. This car, having traveled 120,000 miles, equipped with a manual transmission, is now on sale and eagerly awaits its new owner. The car features a 1,600 cc engine with dual-port intake and a single carburetor coupled with a 4-speed manual transmission. It not only starts and drives, but is ready for new adventures. The recently overhauled carburetor may require some fine-tuning, but is already ready for use. This Beige Bug is a fun and exciting car for both on-road and off-road driving. It comes with a suspension system to absorb vibrations and provide greater stability on rough terrain. While turn signals need to be connected, this car is safe and ready for adventures. Its yellow exterior and black interior give it a stylish and distinctive look. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this unique Beige Bug. 7. Embark on an exciting journey with this 1970 Ford F-250 regular cab, now available for just $13,500. This vehicle, with a mileage of 85,126 miles and an automatic transmission, is up for sale, and its condition leaves only positive impressions. This car has a rich history, being built at the Ford plant in San Jose in April 1970, and has always resided in California. For the last 10 years, it has been in Malibu, which has certainly given it some character in the form of rust, but it does not affect its excellent mechanical condition. Among other things, the 360 cubic inch V8 engine still runs perfectly, and the automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts. A recent full tune-up included the installation of a new battery, brake booster, master cylinder, spark plugs, coils, wires, distributor, and other components. This F-250 has also received several updates, such as new carpets, protective floor mats, seats with new covers, and an upgraded audio system with Bluetooth functionality. Some of the important upgrades include a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, power steering pump, suspension springs, shocks, fuel pump, and much more. Despite its age, this car continues to impress and awaits a new owner ready to embark on a journey with this piece of automotive history. Contact the seller to learn more and possibly become the next happy owner of this unique Ford F-250. 8. Introducing the incredible 1971 Chevrolet C20, now available for the price of $6,000. This reliable truck is currently up for sale, and its current condition is nothing short of admirable. This Chevrolet C20 is a 4x4 with a long bed and is equipped with a powerful 350 engine that interacts with a 350 automatic transmission. Interestingly, it features all-time four-wheel drive, with locking hubs installed, and an additional option of a 205 transfer case that can be installed. The truck comes with a cab with air conditioning, although the owner notes the absence of the air conditioning and heating systems. The vehicle has undergone a complete rewiring of the electrical system, making it more reliable and ready for new adventures. While the tires show some cracks from sitting, A new carburetor has been installed, and many new parts have been added to the vehicle. It runs successfully and comes with a clean title. This Chevrolet C20 is ready for a new chapter in its history. And if you dream of owning a powerful and reliable truck that has demonstrated impressive achievements during its service, this offer might catch your interest. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this wonderful 1971 Chevrolet C20. 9. Introducing the impressive 1971 Jeep Wagoneer SUV, now available for the price of $3,500. This off-road vehicle is currently up for sale and is ready to become a reliable companion for its new owner. This Jeep Wagoneer, spending the majority of its life in California, impresses with its reliability. It is painted in a golden color both on the exterior and interior. Apart from a minor rust spot in one of the quarters, no significant corrosion issues are detected. The vehicle is equipped with a powerful 350 Dauntless Buick engine and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It runs successfully and moves forward with a decent level of comfort. The seller has refreshed the fuel tank, installed a new fuel pump, and replaced all rubber fuel lines. This Jeep Wagoneer serves as an excellent starting point for a resto-mod or, if needed, can be used as is. The vehicle comes with a clean California title and is located in Olympia, Washington. 10. I present to you a unique offer. A 1934 Plymouth two-door, available for purchase at $28,500. This car is currently on sale and promises to be a magnificent addition to your collection. Equipped with a small 350 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, this coupe features an 8-inch Ford rear end, ensuring reliable performance. The car is a true example of engineering artistry, boasting an all-steel body. It represents the first year of Plymouth's use of independent front suspension, making it particularly interesting for collectors. Currently, the car is in primer, providing the new owner with ample opportunities to implement their own ideas for its exterior. The interior, although showing some wear, maintains a good appearance and is in driver quality condition. The suicide doors function perfectly, adding uniqueness to this vehicle. This 1934 Plymouth with a clean Texas title presents a unique opportunity for those who appreciate